Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, in which we're going to play a couple of Game Gear games. The first one is, of course, Jeopardy. Let's see how it goes. Let's have a good game.
Jeopardy!
I'll move the mouse out of the way. That way y'all can see the entire game. Take it on Jack today. The dollar figures are in place. Let's get to the categories. We have sports, trains, the Civil War, sea cities, notice the sea in quotation marks, Turkey, and art. Art for 100.
The answer is
Pope Julius II ordered him to paint the Sistine Chapel. Who is Michelangelo?
yes.
Art for 200.
The answer is
The name for the Virgin Mary in many paintings. What is the Madonna?
correct.
Art for 300.
The answer is
This part of an egg is combined with pigment to make tempera paint. What is the yolk?
correct.
Art for 400.
The answer is
Born on Crete, Domenico Theotokopoulos was called this by the Spaniards. What is El Greco?
you are right.
Art for 500.
The answer is
Rodin sculptured tribute to eggheads. What is the thinker?
correct.
Alright, let's have Sea Cities for 100.
The answer is
That toddling town. What is Chicago?
you are right.
Sea Cities for 200.
The answer is
The destination of Chaucer's travelers in his tales. What is Canterbury?
you are right.
Sea Cities for 300.
The answer is
Almost all of Ohio lies within 150 miles of this, its capital. What is Columbus?
Yes.
C cities for 400.
The answer is.
Its heart is Tivoli, an amusement park and garden. What is Copenhagen? Hi, Tiger.
Yes.
C cities for 500.
The answer is.
Ancient Greek city known for its elegant and ornate crafts. What is Corinth?
Yes.
$3,000. I'll take the Civil War for 100, please. Thank you.
The answer is.
Sherman's march to the sea was across this state. What is Georgia?
You are right.
The Civil War for 200.
The answer is.
165,000 fought the greatest battle in the history of the Western Hemisphere at this Pennsylvania town. What is Gettysburg?
Correct.
Civil War 300.
The answer is.
Civil War president who was a West Point grad. Who was Ulysses S. Grant?
No.
It was not Grant. Jefferson Davis.
Correct. The answer is.
Slave states that didn't secede were Kentucky, Maryland, Delaware, and this one. What is Missouri?
Yes.
Civil War for 500.
The answer is.
Full name of the village where Lee surrendered to Grant. What was Appomattox Courthouse?
Correct.
we have turkey left. What's the other category? Trains. Okay, I'll start with sports for 100.
The answer is
It's one stroke better than a birdie in golf. What is an eagle?
correct.
Sports for 200.
The answer is
Earl Anthony and Don Carter are kingpins in this sport. What is bowling?
yes. The answer is
Country in which Buster Douglas KO'd Mike Tyson in February 1990. What is Japan?
yes.
Sports for 400.
The answer is
Originally minced-net, it was first played with a basketball and a rope stretched across a court. What is volleyball?
yes.
Sports for 5.
The answer is
He didn't drink, smoke, or lift anything heavy and played hockey until age 50. Who is Gordie Howe?
yes.
Okay, trains for 100. With $5,400 right now.
The answer is
A Ferris equine, or what Indians called Old West trains. What is an iron horse?
yes.
Trains for 200.
The answer is
Elevated tracks circling downtown Chicago gave the area this name. What is the Loop?
correct.
Trains 300.
The answer is
In this 1903 11-minute Western shot in New Jersey was the longest film of its day. What is the Great Train Robbery?
yes.
Trains for 400. $6,000 right now.
The answer is
Discontinued in 1777, this intriguing Paris to Istanbul run resumed service in 1982. What is the Orient Express?
Yes.
Trains for 500.
The answer is.
At Promontory Point, this was used to lay the final rail of the first transcontinental railroad. It was a golden spike. Okay. All that's left is turkey, and we know the daily doubles in that category, so let's start with 100.
The answer is.
Not there. When getting one, you go from a hot, dry room to a steam room to a cold shower. What is a Turkish bath?
Yes.
Turkey for 200. I'm gonna bet the farm.
The answer is.
A backwood sofa named for the Turkish Empire. What's an ottoman?
You are right.
300. $13,000 right now. It's a lot of cash.
The answer is.
Turkish confection of crushed sesame seeds and honey. What is havla?
No.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait a minute. Oopsie daisy. Halva. I mixed the letters up.
Correct. The answer is.
This saint's namesake was a 6th century Christian church, then a mosque, now an Istanbul museum. What is Saint Sophia?
You are right.
Last clue.
The answer is.
Mustafa Kemal, founder of the Turkish Republic, changed his name to this. What was Ataturk?
Yes.
So I have $13,600. Jack has 600. I have 13 grand more than he does. Let's play double Jeopardy. TV trivia. Okay, good place to start. 200.
The answer is.
Vicki Lawrence became a Jeopardy contestant on this sitcom. What is Mama's Family?
Yes.
TV trivia for 400, please.
The answer is.
He went from the Ponderosa to the Prairie. Who's Michael Landon?
Yes.
TV trivia for 600, please.
The
In 1970, he had a Good Time Hour. Oh God, I don't know. Oh, Glenn Campbell. Okay, I didn't remember. That's okay. Let's try TV trivia for 800, please. I'm gonna do 10,800. See if I can get up to $25,000. Here's the clue.
The answer is
Jackie Gleason show that rejected the titles The Lovers and The Couple Next Door. What is The Honeymooners?
yes.
Alright, so we have $25,000. I'll take TV trivia for 1,000.
The answer is
This lawyer made mincemeat of Hamilton Burger in court. Who is Perry Mason?
yes.
So we know Broadway's a category, and we know Toys and Games is a category. There's 3 others. We also have basketball, inventions, and wordplay. Basketball 200.
The answer is
The first basketball player to score over 25,000 points. Who is Wilt Chamberlain?
yes.
Basketball 400. A lot of money sitting in front of us.
The answer is
UCLA coach known as the Wizard of Westwood. Who was John Wooden?
yes.
Basketball 600.
The answer is
This sport became an official Olympic sport in 1976. What is women's basketball?
correct.
Basketball 800.
The answer is
The Celtics' horticultural home. What is the Boston Garden?
yes.
Let's take basketball for 1,000.
The answer is
Named for a New York neighborhood, this team was founded in Chicago as the Savoy Big Five. Who are the Harlem Globetrotters?
you are right.
take Broadway for 200.
The answer is
She was the miracle worker for Patty Duke's Helen Keller. Who was Anne Bancroft?
yes.
Broadway 400.
The answer is
Lerner and Lowe's One Brief Shining Moment, which ran from December 3rd, 1960 to January 5th, 1963. What is Camelot?
correct.
Broadway 600.
The answer is
His first stage hit was I Remember Mama, but he's better remembered for shouting, Stella! Who was Marlon Brando?
yes.
Broadway for 8.
The answer is
He won a Tony and an Oscar for the royal role he first played in 1951. Who was Yul Brynner?
correct.
Broadway for 1,000.
The answer is
Rodgers and Hammerstein's longest running play. What is Oklahoma?
yes.
Okay, we have three other categories. Toys and games, wordplay, and inventions. Inventions 200.
The answer is
Mr. Watson, come here was its first message. What is the telephone?
yes.
Inventions 400.
The answer is
In 1836, this painter invented the telegraph. Who was Samuel Morse?
yes.
Inventions for 6.
The answer is
Many dimmed their lights in tribute on the day this inventor was buried. Who was Thomas Edison?
fine.
Oh no, not Thomas Jefferson. I meant to put Thomas Edison. Oh man. I meant to put Edison, not Jefferson. My brain was wandering off in a different direction. Sorry guys, I meant to put Edison, not Jefferson. That was my fault.
The answer is
For his corn harvester, Henry Blair was the first to receive one. What is a patent?
Correct.
Inventions 1000.
The answer is
The president who invented the swivel chair and lap desk, who is Thomas Jefferson? I don't know why I put Thomas Jefferson on the other clue. I meant to put Edison. That was... My brain's going in a different direction right now.
yes.
There we go. Okay. Toys and Games 200.
The answer is
Jim Henson's puppet creations. What are the Muppets?
correct.
Toys and Games for 400, please. I will do $16,000.
The answer is
Number of tiles in a hand of Scrabble. What is 7?
yes.
Toys and Games 6.
The answer is
The gyroscope that stabilizes a boat is based on the principle of this simple toy. What is a top?
yes.
Toys and Games for 800.
The answer is
The box or Hargrave variety has been used by the Weather Bureau to test the atmosphere. Don't remember, so I'm not going to try. Oh, a kite. Okay. Let's close out Toys and Games. 1,000.
the answer is
In snooker, you have 7 various colored balls and 15 all of this color. What is red?
you are right. The answer is
Both left and wrong are correct opposites of this. What is right?
correct.
Wordplay for 400.
The answer is
Switching only 2 letters in conservation produces this word. What is conversation?
you are right.
600.
The answer is
Line can turn into this river. What is the Nile?
yes.
800.
The answer is
A cross-link that one might see here. What are atoms?
You are right.
Last clue.
The answer is
3 rhyming prefixes, all meaning half. What are demi, hemi, and semi?
yes.
So I have $54,600. Jack's still in there with $600. Let's get to Final Jeopardy. Category is U.S. presidents. I'm going to do just $400.
The answer is
In the 1860 election, for his first term, more Americans voted against him than for him.
the answer is
Abraham Lincoln. Yep, so I'm going to end up with $55,000. And I'll see you all for another game.